Yet everything.
What happened next? This is not just a story. This is transformation. Hello everyone, this is Marcus Kane. Today's story is not just a story, it's a reminder that no matter where you are right now, your life can change. So stay with me till the end, because this story might change the way you see your own life.
He had nothing, no money, no support, no chances, and yet he became everything people said he never could be. My name is Daniel. I was born in a very small town. My family was poor. We lived in a tiny house. Sometimes we didn't even have enough food. My father worked very hard. My mother tried her best to take care of us. But life was not easy. Every day felt like a struggle. At school, things were not better. I did not have nice clothes. I did not have new books. Some students laughed at me. They said I would never succeed. Their words hurt me deeply. But I said nothing. I kept everything inside. One night, I looked at myself and asked, is this my life forever? And that night, I made a decision. I decided to change my life. I started waking up early. I studied every single day. Even when I felt tired, I kept going. Even when I felt hopeless, I kept trying. I stopped wasting time. I focused on my goals. Step by step, I started improving. But one day, I failed. I failed an important exam. I felt broken. I felt weak. I thought maybe they were right about me. I wanted to give up. But then my father said something I will never forget. Son, hard times don't last. Strong people do. Those words changed everything. I stood up again, stronger, more focused. I worked harder than ever before. No excuses, no distractions, only work. Life tested me again. We had financial problems. I had to work after school. I was tired every day, but I didn't stop because I had a dream. Slowly, things started changing. My results improved. My confidence grew. People started noticing me. The final exam day came. I was nervous, but I was ready. I gave everything I had. And then, I waited. The result day arrived. My heart was beating fast. I looked at the board, and I couldn't believe it. My name was at the top. I did it. Tears filled my eyes. But this time, they were tears of happiness. That day, I learned something powerful. Hard work beats doubt. Consistency beats talent. Pain builds strength. And failure is not the end. It's the beginning. Today, my life is different. I own my family. I live better. But I never forgot where I came from. And I never will. If you're struggling right now, listen carefully. You're not late. You're not weak. You're just in the process. Keep going, because one day, your story will inspire others.